Hey guys, Pepper152 here, and my mom found this nest. I think it was yesterday or something, but she was like cutting down some trees, and it's kind of breaking apart. Like, yeah, not really, but it was kind of breaking apart and everything. So there was nothing inside, but it was just like a perfect little nest. So she put it on the wagon over there, right there. And I brought it over here because you can actually see it in this light. But yeah. So yeah, and yeah, look at that. So that's what I wanted to say, because like it's like the perfect little nest. Get this out. Oh, it broke apart. Okay. Well, I won't pick it up, but oops. Okay, so it's falling apart, but it's like the perfect little nest thing for a little mama bird to put her eggs in. But yeah, it's kind of sad that my mom kind of put it down, but still, well, the bird wasn't home or anything. There was nothing inside. So yeah. So yeah. Peace out. See you on the flip side.